Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the studio apartment listings in Dubai that are under 3,500 dirham per month. Unlike my previous video, this listing, it is more for people who owns a car. These are some of the apartments that are quite reasonably priced considering the condition of the apartment, the distance between the apartment and the city center of Dubai. I took all those consideration into picking the apartments on this list. In terms of price, if you are specifically looking for apartments that are near metro, I would suggest you watch one of my previous videos, which is this one. Or if you simply want to look at options of apartments in different websites, then this video is for you. I showed you the pros and cons of each property website in Dubai. You can check out those too. Now, in terms of prices of the apartments that I'm going to be talking about today, it will range between 35,000 dirham to 42,000 dirham per year. If you are not familiar with the apartment listings in Dubai, a lot of the times it will be listed based on yearly rent. Depending on your negotiation with the owner or the agent, you could ask for the payment to be split into a number of checks. For example, the place that we are living currently, my husband was able to negotiate it to 6 checks, meaning every 2 months a sum of money will be taken out of our account to be paid towards the rent of this place. Before I go into the apartment listing, just as a disclaimer, I am not a real estate agent or property agent. I am just someone who loves looking at apartment listing online that are available here. There are a lot of new buildings in Dubai, so you have a lot of choices, especially if you have transportation. You have more flexibility in choosing the apartments with lower price. Okay, so the first apartment that we are looking at is priced at 35,000 dirham per year. On a monthly basis, you are looking at 2,900 dirham, around that area. And this Hayat Boulevard apartment is in the town square area of Dubai. Distance wise, it is around 30 minutes to the city center, or in this case I use Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall as a reference point, so it is about a 30 minutes drive from there. And from the look of it, it has a clean cream and white type of look to the furnishing of the apartment. If that is something that you are looking for, then this is definitely it. Let's go to the other photos. Now, this is what the apartment looks like from a first glance. There are spaces for eating, and there is a bathtub in the bathroom, and this is sort of what the surrounding area looks like, and I think this is the lobby. Now, the only thing that I noticed about this unit specifically is the fact that it doesn't have any bed, so I'm assuming that they are using the pull-out couch as a 2-in-1 sofa bed type thing. So if you are not into that, then this apartment is probably not for you. And overall, for a fully furnished apartment, I think 2,900 per month is not that bad. Now let's go to the next apartment, which is the Tenora. It has the same price point as the previous one. It is in the residential district of Dubai South. From the city center, it is about 35 minutes to 40 minutes drive. It is well decorated. It has a nice curtain and nice furnishing, very classically decorated, but at the same time it is still within that neutral type of tones, cream, brown, all those sort of things. And they use sort of wood type of furnishing in some of the items here. Let's look further into the unit. Now, different from the first one, this one has a separate bed and sitting areas that gives that separation of space that you might like. In terms of, I think, square footage, at least to me it seems bigger, and they have clean cream type of kitchen cabinet, and it is furnished with, I think this is microwave and this is oven, and it has like 4 burners on the stove. I'm not sure where the fridge is, but if I were to guess, I think this is a built-in fridge. I'm not sure, you might need to check on that. And they also have this closet that is built into the wall, so that is a nice touch, similar to the one that we have here. And this one also has a bathtub and very nice bathroom. The thing that I noticed is I don't see any washing machine, so I'm not sure whether it is in the building or within the same floor, so you might want to check on that if you are interested in this unit particularly. Again, for a fully furnished, almost fully furnished apartment, this is a good price. Now let's go to the next one. This apartment is slightly more expensive than the ones before. It is 38,000 dirham per year. On a monthly basis, it is about 3,200 dirham. It is 20 minutes drive from this apartment to the city center, and the name is Elite Sports Residence 5. It's very modern, very clean. It has a bed over here, very simple love seat for chilling, sitting area, the same type of closet. It even has the top part which can fit even more stuff, I guess. It has a mix of white, darker wood and slightly lighter wood, and even lighter on the floor. Now this one, I quickly noticed the washing machine, so that won't be a problem. The kitchen cabinet and everything seems decent, and it also has a barn door. I think this leads to the bathroom, and they also have a balcony. They have like a seating out here, so that's another plus. I think that's what brings the price up a little bit. And the bathroom, you guys, is so nice. It's built with this marble looking tiles, and it has like darker tiles on the, I think this is inside the shower, but everything else looks clean, looks new. And it has that American looking type of medicine cabinet. It has a gym. I'm not sure whether this balcony is referring to this unit specifically, but if this was the case, then you have a very big balcony to enjoy, and it seems like it's the corner unit. And they also have a pool facility aside from the gym. Now let's go to the next one, which is the highest price by far. It is the Laya Mansion in the Jumeirah Village Circle. From the first look, it looks a bit dark, but I think it is because this apartment in particular is located at the more like roof area. In terms of price, monthly you are looking at 3,500 dirham, and distance wise it is about 18 minutes drive to the city center of Dubai. It has a washer, a nice simple kitchen. It has a like leather couch, a nice bathroom with separate shower, a balcony you can enjoy. From the balcony, it seems like this unit is located at the ground floor, or maybe the floor that has like a common area. If you don't mind the noise, then probably get this apartment. If that is a concern for you, maybe check out the unit that are on a higher floor. Now on to the last listing for today. I'm going to be talking about the, I think it is called the Miracles Tower by Danube. Yearly it is 42,000 dirham, same like the apartment before. Monthly you are looking at 3,500 dirham. It is another 20 minutes drive to the city center of Dubai. This apartment in particular looks new because the painting or the frames and stuff are still in their wrapping. And the one interesting thing about this unit is the fact that the sofa is also attached to sort of a Murphy bed which you can pull down and sleep on. I think this is a much better way of utilizing sort of a sofa bed. It feels more like a bed compared to the first listing that I mentioned earlier, and it also has this like side storage and stuff. They seem to have a washing machine, but the only thing missing here I think is the TV. This is sort of another storage, and they have even more storage on this side. I think this could be the pantry, and this might be the fridge, and this is the freezer. Very nice two-tone kitchen cabinet with like textured type of backsplash. They also have this microwave, which looks a lot like the ones in American YouTubers videos, the kind that is on the top cabinet, so that's an interesting placement. They have nice chandelier, nice curtain, and also even more storage on this side. I think this is the closet part. This is the balcony. It looks like it's further away from other buildings, so that's nice. A long hallway. And in the bathroom, I like the fact that the designer sort of mix and match the texture, the color and everything to make it sort of like contrast, and even more storage in the bathroom. You could line up all your skincare, hair care and body care stuff in the bathroom. So if you are into that kind of design and functionality in the apartment, this might be the one for you. So those are the 5 apartment listings that I filtered through from the property website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course I will link all the listing that I mentioned in the description box down below. Even if it is no longer available at the time that you are watching this video, you could still look for the name of the building that is mentioned there, and you could use that to then search for the latest listing that are available on the property website, if that makes sense. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, we are aiming to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, which is March of 2023. I would be so happy if you would help me with that. Turn that notification bell on so that you get notified when I post new videos. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
My heart beats with yours, so you can take me on. I'm falling deep, it won't take long.